In this example, they say the point 3, 4. So I would go over 3, up 4. There's the point 3, 4. It tells us that it's on the terminal arm of an angle in standard position. So angles in standard position, we know start from the positive x-axis. The angle has to go through that point. This angle theta would be an angle in standard position that's going through that point. As soon as you have an angle in standard position, you can draw back to the x-axis and you can create a triangle. If we create that triangle, we would know this side is 3. Because it's 3, 4, we know this height is 4. And do you recognize this right angle triangle? It's a famous one. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. It's 5. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. It's 16 plus 9 is 25. It works out perfectly. So the answer, I'll write 5 units, but you could just write 5. The answer to part A, what's the distance from the origin to point P? 5 units.
For all girls basketball players, there will not be a girls basketball skills session tonight at 8 o'clock. There will be a girls basketball skills session at 7:30 tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Sine of theta, cos of theta, and tan of theta. We can just look at our triangle. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, 4 over 5. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. So those are the primary trig ratios for theta. And then part C says find angle theta. So this is part B here. For part C, if we want to find angle theta, you can choose any one of those, the sine, the cos, or the tan. You like the tan? So if you have tan of theta equals 4/3, I would find theta, this is back to last year, by doing tan inverse of 4/3. You would get to use your calculator because that's not one of the ones that we know. So we go second tan inverse 4 divided by 3, and we get theta is equal to 53.1 degrees. So most of this question is a review of grade 10. You're writing SOHCAHTOA down. You're finding an angle using the inverse. So after your quiz tomorrow, you can work on more of these questions. 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, and 12. So write those numbers down.